these handcuffs for 1 month still. It's been torture for so long. 1 month with these handcuffs on. 1 month. I am sick and tired of these handcuffs. Sick.
Artie, no!
Oh no, not you again.
What's so bad about me?
You're the one who puts me in these things.
And I don't care.
You're so mean sometimes. You know what? Why did you have to go and lose the key? Just leave now. Just leave.
Fine.
Just leave. Yes, I'm free. Oh no, he's coming. He's coming. Hide the keys, put the handcuffs back on. He's still coming. He's almost here.
What did you want me to leave for?
You bug me. You bug me so much. Just leave again. Just leave.
What for?
Go get some money out of the bank.
Okay.
Can't find the stupid key. Got it. Get this one done now. Oh, almost. Where's the key? Huh. He should be gone for a while since he's going to the bank. Yes! Free! Finally, I'm free from these handcuffs. Thanks to these keys. Thank you.
Where is he?
Oh, dude, I'm free.
Oh.
Oh, no. No. Yes! I'm free. I have the keys. No handcuffs. I'm free. Finally. Thank goodness I found these keys. Thank goodness I got them. Yes! I am free. Oh. Oh. Again? Well,
Give me those keys.
what? No, my keys! Oh, you got rid of the keys? Where did they just go? No! Threw them out the window again! I'll never find them now. I'm stuck in them again. Where's that guy with the keys? No.
Good day, sir. Would you need any help, possibly?
Yes, I would. I'm stuck in these handcuffs. Help.
No.
This is torture. Torture. It's crazy. Wish I could get out of these. Wish there was another key. Ooh. Hey, it's the key guy again. Key guy.
What are you doing? You are helping him.
Oh no! Ugh.
I have the keys.
But I'm slightly free. Oh. Oh. Oh man. The key guy came back with another set of keys. How far did you just throw those?
Maybe 5 miles. I threw it in the back of a dump truck.
The back of a dump truck?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
That's crazy.
You're crazy.
You're bleeding. On your face. Your face is bleeding.
And I don't care. 'Cause the key man threw a key at me and it hit me.
Okay. Now I hope this key man comes back. Please, key man, come back. Key man? The key guy!
Yes.
Yes. No. No.
You
Don't
can
touch me.
mine.
No. I'm free. He doesn't have any more handcuffs for me. This feels so good after 1 month. 1 torture month. With no I'm handcuffed free. Ooh, that left some marks on my hand. That hurts. What was that noise? Oh, okay, where are you finding these handcuffs?
Give me your hand.
No! You have to beat me up. Ow! Ow! No! Ah! Oh no! Oh! Oh, this is gonna be even worse. 1 month like this. Oh! Oh, there's no way that the key guy can save me now. Oh man! 1 month. Let you know this isn't the end of handcuffs.
We have another one coming out soon. I was the keeper.
Yeah, he was the beat up person, Christian was. I was handcuffed, Taylor, and I'm wearing them now. Yeah, it's Kyle.
I just play small roles. I mostly do camera.
Yeah, but, yeah, thanks.
He's like our main man in camera.
Yeah, but, this isn't the end of handcuffs, just letting you know, because I got freed. This isn't the end of handcuffs, we're making more videos.
Probably gonna have like 5 more videos coming out this year.
Not this year, like, probably like a lot more.
Yeah, but I mean, it takes a while just to make them from now on.
Yeah, it does take a while now, but thanks for watching our handcuffs videos. This isn't the end of handcuffs.
Rate and comment.
Rate, comment, handcuffs. Let
5
us know.
stars.
Let us know how much you like them.
And subscribe if you would like.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want more handcuffs videos. Give us ideas for a handcuff video. I don't know, just comments and stuff. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.